Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to create a professional LinkedIn profile in 2025. So let's start it. First of all, you have to go to linkedin.com. Then you have to log in or sign up with your email account, password, or Microsoft account. I'm going to continue with my Gmail account. Then you have to enter your country and your number. Then it will send you a code. Just wait for the code to come. So it will ask you for some information. You just have to input them, and then here you go. Now your LinkedIn profile is set up. Now you can edit your LinkedIn account. You can upload your profile and also cover photo. Make sure to upload them professionally, because if you don't do it, no one gonna hire you for a job and needed all the things. So that's it. This is how you can create a professional LinkedIn account. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video.